Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ferrari 488 GTB. First, ensure the car is in neutral and your foot is on the brake. Insert the key, then press the bright red engine start button on the steering wheel. Listen to that incredible sound. Let the engine warm up for a few minutes to ensure optimal performance and fluid circulation before you engage a gear. Once the engine is warm, pull the right paddle shifter to engage first gear. The Ferrari 488 GTB offers various Manettino driving modes on the steering wheel, from wet for slippery conditions to race for track driving. Choose the mode that best suits your environment. Then, gently release the brake and apply a small amount of throttle to smoothly pull away. The 488 GTB features lightning-fast paddle shifters. Pull the right paddle to upshift and the left to downshift. For optimal handling, remember to be smooth with your steering inputs. Sudden movements can unsettle the car. When braking, apply pressure progressively and early, allowing the powerful carbon ceramic brakes to do their work effectively. To park your Ferrari, bring the car to a complete stop. Select neutral and engage the electronic parking brake. This is usually a button near the center console. Then, press the engine start/stop button again to turn off the engine. Finally, ensure the car is locked and secure before you leave. Enjoy the satisfaction of a thrilling drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.